God is the supreme enjoyer. Bhuktaram Yogatapasam. Matter of fact, that's a very, for a few minutes in every day, he enjoys what was transcendental union, divine union with his own spiritual counterpart, Srimati Radharani, his own energy, Ladini Shakti personified. He is the source of the energy, and let's say that form of Radharani, then it's so pleasurable and tasty, because it's imbued with dedication to him. It's hard to be dedicated to yourself. A lot of people are, or they try to be. But Radharani becomes imbued with some special flavor which Yogamaya arranges to entice Krishna and satisfy him. And it even says so many places in Chaitanya Charitamrita that Krishna, he gets more pleasure enjoying the different aspects of the rasa dance than he does from just the dancing and seeing the expertise of the gopis than he does from the conjugal sports and intimacy.